Hi guys, welcome back to the Scripted Success Master. We are here at a chapter 3 where we will learn menu and toolbar in detail. Okay, so these options call it as a menu, this option we call it as a toolbar. Okay, let's get in details with the file option. Once you click on a file, you will get these many options. We will go one by one. First is new. Basically, this is something related to new spreadsheet or new template gallery, which we have already seen in the chapter 1. So I will not cover that. Second option is open, where if you want to open any specific file, it will open it as a new file. Okay, this also we have learned in chapter 1, so I will skip this. Third main option is import. Okay, now import works well with format matching with the Google Sheets. Let's say it's a comma separated file, like we call it as a .csv or Excel files. Okay, now let's import one file to demonstrate you. Click on the import, click on the upload. See, basically you will have a multiple options here. You can select it from my drive. You can select it from the details or files where already shared with you, the files which are recently you have opened, and another file which you can upload it from your computer, saved files. Okay, now click on upload, click on a browse. Now go to the data. I am going to the sample data which I want to show you guys. So there will further options you will have. So it will ask you if you want to create a new spreadsheet, or if you want to insert a new sheet, if you want to replace a spreadsheet, or if you want to replace a current sheet. Okay, so create a new sheet is something, once you create it, another file will get created. This one is insert a new sheet, where how you can see a chapter 3 as a subsheet, it will add another subsheet here with that uploaded file. This one is replace spreadsheet, where this current spreadsheet will get off and new spreadsheet will get created as per your new file. And this main option, replace current sheet, is something the data may be available in your sheet and you want to insert new data on that. Then you can use replace current sheet. Next is append to current sheet. Let's say you have a few full data here, and you want to append the data inside that, so you can use this option. Or another one is replace data at the selected cell. This is something you have to select the data and upload the new file where that particular selected data will get changed. Okay, now I'll show you by replace current sheet. So what we will do, we'll click on the replace current sheet, will retain this, convert text, number, dates, and will import the data. Okay, now imported data will be automatically fetched in this format. Okay, now I'll just increase the spacing and will make a better visibility here. Okay, okay, now we'll go for our next option. Next option is a make a copy. Okay, make a copy, where this whole sheet get copied into the another document, where you can put a changed name here, and you can manage the options where you want to copy the comments, you want to copy the coding which you have done already, or you want to share with the same people again, or you want to retain the new sheet up to you. That's a copy a document with and make a new copy. As of now we are not making that, I am just showing you the demo. So we can, once you click on a make a copy, it will create a new data, new sheet here. I'll just cancel as of now. Next is share button. Okay, this share button you can click here also, or access it from here also, or you can access it from here also. So once you click on the share button, you will get this menu. First option, you will have it as a sharing with the specific people. Let's say I'll just put dummy @gmail.com. So it will give you a link where you will have options here how you want to share the data or share the sheet. You want them to edit the file, you want to only view, allow them to view the file, or only comment on the file. That depends on the access you are giving. Okay, as of now I am just not giving any access because it's a dummy Gmail. I'll just go back again. Next option you will get it here as a general access. General access, you can call it as a public access or general access within your organization. Let's say as of now it's restricted and it's not sharing with anyone. Once you click here anyone with this link, you will again have options as a view, comment or edit. So now what will happen, once you click on this view or editor and just click on a done, the data available in the sheet can be accessed with the link which you can share it with the across your friends or wherever you want to share. Okay, you can change the setting here also. Again you can go, you can restrict it and you can again save it. Okay, this simply you can see it here also. Once you hover it, it will show private to me only. So now it's a private to me. You can check the share options here also. You can click here, copy the link and you can share the link to anyone where you can give the access. Okay, next is share in the publish to website. Once you click publish to website, you will get options like this. So you want to publish entire document or only one specific sheet. So as of now it's a one sheet only, so it's not showing another options, but you can have a specific subsheets to publicly mention. So you can publish it as a web page or you can publish it as a PDF, or here there are options. Once you select it, you just click on a publish, you will get a link. So I'll just show you one demo. I'll just publish it. Here it will say you want to publish it or not. You just have to OK it. Then you will get this link. You can share this link along with your friends, family, within your organization by Gmail, Facebook or just Twitter. Okay, you have the shortcuts here. Okay, and I will close it as it's published and I have copied the link. Okay, now let's say you think I don't want to publish it or you want to restrict the publishing again. So you can go again to publish, go down, you can click on a stop publishing and it will stop the publishing. Okay, you can close the file. Okay, next point is email. Okay, so there is a shortcut here where you can directly email this file to specific email ID. You can mention the email ID here, you can put the message here and you can select the file type also. So how do you want to share this file with anyone? You can select it here. You can click it as a PDF, you can click it as a Office, you can click it as a Excel, you can share it here. Okay, as of now I am just cancelling for just sake of time. Next is download option. Download option, it's a straightforward where you can download this file in Excel format or open document format, in a PDF format or a web page format, CSV format or TSV format, similar to this option but in a different way. Okay, all these options are available in file menu. So in next chapter we will cover these many options